Hi, I'm Julia from JetOctopus and I want to make a short intro to our crawler. It is problem-centric. What does it mean? We apply a top-down approach. After we crawled your website, we provide you with the big picture of critical and warning issues on your website. You have not only the list of absolute numbers, the list of URLs with problems, you are having the correlating picture what percentage of pages have this problem. It gives you opportunity to make the priorities. Let's say there is non-canonical pages on a website and there are 50% of the pages are non-canonical. So it is clear as day that you'd better check this list first, not just fixing 404 errors as we usually do. You understand that it is an opportunity for a more complex analysis, not only a partial one, and as a result it leads to a more predictable SEO boost. But this is only the beginning. After that, you have more than 150 filters to dive deeper into this data, into these critical issues. Let's say you have duplicated titles. 56% of the pages have duplicated titles. You are clicking on this column or you are clicking on this line and you are coming to the list of the URLs with duplicated titles, with all the statuses and with all the attributes of these URLs. One of our favorite options is segments. It is a very crucial helper for big websites. You can add as many segments as you need. These are the parts of your website which are more important for you, which are business-oriented. And out of crawling data, watching the data within the segments, you see the problems just within this exact segment. And it gives you also the opportunity to prioritize your work of fixing the bugs. Next is Linking Explorer. This is the best tool to optimize your interlinking structure. With the help of this tool, you will see all the features and all the attributes of the links to the exact URL. You will see if these links are text or image ones. You will have opportunity to analyze anchors and many other. So you have 14 days free trial and 30,000 pages for free crawling. Please use demo option. It will give you the most of value. Just 10 minutes of video demonstration on your crawling data and you will leave this conversation with the exact list of problems and with the exact priorities, what to fix first and what to fix then. If you still don't believe in technical SEO, you definitely lose the opportunity for a quick SEO uplift. Hurry up to try!